Alright, so that was a little bit more harder than expected, but thankfully, thank God we got it on. Got a little bit sketchy at times, but you know, patience, logical thinking fast, you get it done. So let's see here. I literally had to bring these rear wheels right here. Oh, sorry, still learning this camera. Still had to bring these rear wheels right here to about like right here in this area, so they're like hanging off maybe about 30% more or less. The first time I did that, I didn't have the strap on, and I noticed the ramps were kind of shaking a little bit. It really got me nervous, so I moved it back forward immediately, put the strap on, and then tried it again. I got it that far back so I could bring down the forks so they didn't touch the truck back here. Thank God it didn't touch it, and it worked out perfect. And then the truck, I had to literally bring it as close as possible. Let me show you. You see, there's like my finger can barely fit right there. And yeah, so that's where that's at. And securement wise, you know, like when we had Rick's truck, 2 pulling this way, 2 pulling the opposite way. Where I'm not gonna do 8 because honestly I'm doing 4 on this thing. I can do 4 on this thing. We did 8 on Rick's because it's Rick's and his truck, so, and he was there too, so yeah, got the thing all fully loaded. And now let's just get on out of here. Alright, so we just finished our stay here at the hotel. We're all buckled up. Checked it, checked the tires, checked the lights, checked the brakes, checked everything. Pre-trip is done. So now let's hit the road and deliver these things. Alright, so we got the forklift offloaded. Good thing we had a loading dock right here. So just drove it straight off. And now off to drop things like 20 minutes away. Alright, so earlier we're at 3500. I was parked along there, blocking a driveway. I knew I was pushing my luck, and the dude came out, was like, hey, can you move? I got deliveries coming. I'm like, oh, of course, you know, I knew I was in the wrong. So I came up here, parked here by the park. If I had known this spot was here, I would have came here first and not bothered the guy. But, yep, got that 55 offloaded, took it to the dealership, got payment in hand, and now let's see what's gonna happen next. It sucks that now I have the tarp here all moved. The tire I have to start messing with whenever I load and offload because it doesn't have a fixed spot anymore. And it's like, I can probably do it, but it's way too heavy to put it back up there. But I don't know, problem for another day or another time. We'll see what happens. All right, y'all, so we're almost done with the trip. I just had to do this quick pit stop at this Stripes. Here she is with all her glory, all loaded up. About to be at this military base here in a little bit. And yeah, we are almost here at the drop-off. Well, we are here at the drop-off location at a Goodfellow Air Force Base. There goes the nice plane they got. Here's the 220s that I got. There's a sweet super hauler. And over there, I don't know if you can see them, is one of our boys. Met up with him yesterday at the pilot, so that we can convoy down here together. So now I got checked in the office, and now I just gotta go get the truck fully inspected, get the load inspected, so then I can go and get this thing dropped off. So this should be interesting, swinging around to go get this inspected. Obviously, since I'm in a military base, once I go inside, I'm not allowed to use my camera. So you'll just have to enjoy this a little bit.